If the length of the tangent from f comma g to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 6, be twice the length of the tangent from the same point to the circle x square plus y square plus 3x plus 3y is equal to 0. Then f square plus g square plus 4f plus 4g plus 2 is equal to. We know that length of the tangent, that is root s11. This is the formula for length of the tangent. Here is given circles is x square plus y square minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the first circle, s is equal to 0. And the second circle x square plus y square plus 3x plus 3y is equal to 0. This is s dash is equal to 0. Here is given the length of the tangent from f comma g to the circle to the first circle is twice the length of the second circle, that is s11 under root is equal to 2 into under root of s11 dash squaring on both sides, that is s11 is equal to 4 s11 dash. So s11 substituting f comma g in the first circle, that is f square plus g square minus 6 is equal to 4 into. So substituting f comma g on the second circle, that is f square plus g square plus 3f plus 3g. So f square plus g square minus 6 is equal to 4f square plus 4g square plus 12f plus 12g. Here is 4f square minus f square. This is 3f square plus 4g square minus g square, that is 3g square plus 12g plus 12f plus 6 is equal to 0. So take 3 common, that is f square plus g square plus 4g plus 4f plus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of f square plus g square plus 4g plus 4f plus 2 is 0. The length of the tangent from 6 comma 8 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 is. So length of the tangent is equal. Length of the tangent is equal to under root of s11. Substituting the given point on the circle, that is 6 square plus 8 square minus 4, that is equal to 36 plus 64 minus 4. 100 minus 4 is root 96. Root 96 is written as 16 into 6, that is equal to 4 root 6. This is the length of the tangent. For the circle x square plus y square minus 9 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the chord having 1 comma 2 as its midpoint. Here is given circle is x square plus y square minus 9 is equal to 0. And this is the chord. This chord having midpoint is 1 comma 2. If p x1 y1 is midpoint of the chord, midpoint of the chord, then equation of the chord is S1 is equal to S11. This is the equation of the chord having Px1 y1 as its midpoint. That is S1, that is x into 1 plus y into 2 minus 9 is equal to S11, that is 1 square plus 2 square minus 9. So both sides minus 9 cancelled. That is x plus 2y is equal to 1 square plus 2 square, that is 5. Therefore, equation of the chord is x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. If the circle x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0 bisects the circumference of the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y minus 15 is equal to 0, then k is equal to. Here is given circle, that is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0. This is the first circle. And the second circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the second circle. Here first circle bisects the circumference of the second circle. That means center of the second circle lies on the radical axis. So center of the second circle C2 is equal to minus 1 comma 3. This is lies on the radical axis of both the circles. So radical axis of 1 and 2 is equal to first circle minus second circle is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square cancelled. 6x minus 2x, that is 4x, minus 2y plus 6y, that is plus 4y, plus k plus 15 is equal to 0. This is the radical axis. So center of the circle lies in the radical axis, that is 4 into minus 1 plus 4 into 3 plus k plus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 12 plus k plus 15 is equal to 0. 12 plus 15, 27, 27 minus 4, that is 23, that is k plus 23 is equal to 0. So therefore k is equal to minus 23. This is the value of k. The length of the tangent drawn from the midpoint of the line joining origin and the point 4 comma minus 4 to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus y is equal to 0 is. Here is given midpoint of origin, that is 0 comma 0, and the point capital A is given, that is 4 comma minus 4. So midpoint is equal to, that is 0 plus 4 by 2 comma 0 minus 4 by 2, that is 2 comma minus 2. This is the point P. So now length of the tangent. So given circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus y is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus y by 2 is equal to 0. Take 2 common. So length of the tangent LT is equal to under root of S11. Substituting the midpoint P 2 comma minus 2 in the given circle, that is 2 square plus minus 2 whole square minus y minus 2 by 2, that is equal to 2 cancelled, that is equal to under root of 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. This is the length of the tangent. Find the equation of the circle having normals x minus 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0 and a tangent 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. Here is given normals, that is x minus 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. From this x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1, and y minus 2 is equal to 0, that is equal to y is equal to 2. These normals always passes through the center of the circle. Therefore, center of the circle is 1 comma 2. And now we find the radius of the circle. Here is given 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 is a tangent. That means R is equal to D. Here D is the perpendicular distance from center to the tangent. This is perpendicular distance from center to the tangent. That is R is equal to 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2 minus 6 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square. That is 3 plus 8, 11, 11 minus 6. This is 5 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is root 25. That is 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. Therefore, R is equal to 1. Radius of the circle is 1. Therefore, equation of the circle having center h comma k and radius small r is, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus h, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square is 1 square. Therefore, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 1. This is the required equation of the circle. if y is equal to root 3x plus k1 and y is equal to root 3x plus k2 are two parallel tangents of a circle of radius 2 units, then modulus of k1 minus k2 is equal to, here is given, this is the circle, here is two parallel tangent, this is the first tangent and this is the second tangent. These two are parallel tangents, that is root 3x minus y plus k1 is equal to 0. This is root 3x minus y plus k2 is equal to 0. So, and radius of the circle is given. This is the radius of the circle. This is 2 units and this is also 2 units. So, distance between these two parallel tangents is equal to 2 into radius. That is 2 into radius is equal to distance between the parallel lines is modulus of c1 minus c2 by under root of a square plus b square. 2r, that is 2 into 2, here radius is given 2, that is equal to c1, that is modulus of k1 minus modulus of k2 by under root of a square. Root 3 whole square is 3 plus minus 1 whole square is 1, that is 4 is equal to modulus of k1 minus k2 by root over 3 plus 1, that is 2. So from this modulus of k1 minus k2 is equal to 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. The center of a circle is 2 comma minus 3 and the circumference is 10 pi. Then its equation is, here is given center of the circle ch comma k is equal to 2 comma minus 3 and circumference is equal to 10 pi. We know that center of the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, that is 2 pi r is equal to 10 pi. Here pi cancelled. 2r is equal to 10. From this r is equal to 5. This is the radius of the circle. And the center is given h comma k. Therefore, equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to r square, that is 5 square. This is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 25. That is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y. Here 4 plus 9, 13. 13 minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. The equation of the normal to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16 at the point 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3. Here every normal passes through the center of the circle. This is center of the circle C 0 comma 0 and a given point is 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3. Now we find the equation of CP bar. First slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 1 by root 3 minus 0. That is 1 by root 3 by 1 by root 3 minus 0. This is 1 by root 3. This is cancelled. That is equal to 1. Slope m is equal to 1. Therefore, equation of the normal. So, normal equation is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is 0 comma 0. Y minus 0 is equal to slope m 1 into x minus 0. That is y is equal to x. From this x minus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal. Find the maximum distance of the point k 10 comma 7 from the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20 is equal to 0. We know that maximum distance is equal to ck plus r. This is the formula for maximum distance. So here center of the circle C is 2 comma 1 and a given point k is given, that k is 10 comma 7 and the radius of the circle r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c, that is 4 plus 1 plus 20, that is equal to root 25, that is equal to 5. Now we find ck, distance between these 2 points, under root of 10 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square, that is 10 minus 2, 8 square is 64, plus 7 minus 1, 6 square is 36, under root of 100, that is equal to 10. Therefore, maximum distance is equal to ck plus r. Ck is 10 plus r is 5, that is equal to 15. Therefore, maximum distance is equal to 15. The length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0. On the line 2x minus y is equal to 5 is equal to dash units. It is given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0. And the given line is 2x minus y is equal to 5. We know that the length of the chord is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. So first find the center of the circle. This is 3 comma minus 4, and the radius of the circle is under root of 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 minus of minus 5, that is plus 5, that is equal to root 30. And d is the perpendicular distance from center to the given line, that is modulus of 2 into 3 minus, that is plus 4 minus 5 by under root of 2 square 4 plus 1, that is 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 4 10 minus 5, 5 by root 5, that is equal to root 5. This is the d. So d is equal to root 5. Therefore, length of the chord is equal to 2 root r square. R square is 30 minus d square, that is 5, that is 2 root 25, that is equal to 2 into 5, that is equal to 10 units. This is the length of the chord. The radical axis of the coaxial system of circles with the limiting points capital A 1 comma 2 and capital B minus 2 comma 1 is the radical axis of the coaxial system of circles with limiting points capital A and capital B is the perpendicular bisector, bisector of joining A and B. Now we find the perpendicular bisector equation. We know that the perpendicular bisector equation, that is, this is direct shortcut formula, 2x into x1 minus x2 plus 2y into y1 minus y2 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square minus y2 square. So here is x1 y1 is 1 comma 2 and x2 y2 is minus 2 comma 1, that is 2x into 1 plus 2 plus 2y into 2 minus 1 x1 square 1 plus 4 minus x2 square, that is 4 minus 1. Here 4 cancel, 1 cancel, this is equal to 0. That is 2x into 3, that is 6x plus 2y into 1, 2y is equal to 0. Take 2 comma, that is 3x plus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of a perpendicular bisector. The radical axis, this is the radical axis, that is 3x plus y is equal to 0. The angle between the pair of tangents drawn from 1 comma 3 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. So angle between the tangents means we know that tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. This is the angle between the pair of tangents drawn to the circle. So first we find the center of the circle. Therefore center is equal to dividing minus 2 by x coefficient and y coefficient, that is minus 2 by 2. Minus 2, that is 1. 4 by minus 2, that is minus 2. And the radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Under root of g square, that is 1 square 1 plus f square 2 square, that is 4 plus 11, that is equal to root 16 is equal to 4. And we find root s11. Here is given point is 1 comma 3, that is substituting in the circle equation, that is root over s11, that is 1 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 minus 11, that is equal to under root of 1 plus 9 minus 2 plus 12 minus 11. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 plus 12, 20, 20 minus 11, that is root 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, angle between the tangents tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. Here r is 4 and root s11 is 3. Now we find sine theta. We know that sine theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. That is equal to 2 into tan theta by 2. That is 4 by 3. 1 plus tan square theta by 2. That is 4 by 3 whole square. That is 16 by 9. That is equal to 8 by 3 into 9 by 9 plus 16. That is 25. This 3 times cancel. That is equal to 8 into 3, 24. 24 by 25. Therefore, theta is equal to sine inverse of 24 by 25. This is the angle between the pair of tangents. Find the area of the circle x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus y minus 1 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. So we know that area of the circle, area is equal to pi r square. Now we find the radius of that circle. That is given circle is x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus y minus 1 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. That is x square plus 3x plus 2 plus y square plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is x square plus y square plus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Center of this circle is dividing by x coefficient minus 2 and dividing by y coefficient minus 2. That is minus 3 by 2. That is 2 by minus 2. That is minus 1. This is the center of the circle, and the radius r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. That is equal to under root of g square, that is 3 by 2 whole square. This is 9 by 4 plus f square 1 minus c. Here c value is minus 1. This is plus 1. That is equal to under root of 9 by 4 plus 2. So take LCM, 9 plus 8 by 4, that is equal to 8 plus 9, that is root 17 by 2. This is the radius of the circle. Therefore, area is equal to pi r square. That is pi into r square, root 17 by 2 whole square. That is 17 by 4. Therefore, area is equal to 17 pi by 4. A radius of any circle touching the lines 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0 is. Here is given lines is 3x minus 4y minus plus 5 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0. Observing these two lines are parallel lines. So first line multiplying by 2, that is 6x minus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0. And second line is 6x minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the circle. These two lines are parallel lines. So this is the line 6x minus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0. And this is 6x minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we find the radius of the circle. Here C is the center of the circle. This is R and this is R. Here 2R is equal to distance between the parallel lines, that is modulus of C1 minus C2 by the root of A square plus B square. That is 2R is equal to C1, that is 10 minus of minus 9 by under root of A square, that is 6 square 36 plus 8 square 64. That is equal to 10 plus 9, 19 by root 100. So 2R is equal to 19 by 10. Therefore, radius of the circle R is equal to 19 by 2 into 10. So radius is equal to 19 by 20. If a line drawn from a fixed point M A comma B cuts the circle x square plus y square is equal to k square at C and D, then MC into MD is equal to. Here is given circle is x square plus y square is equal to k square. This is the circle. And M is a point. This is M A comma B. A line is drawn through a fixed point A comma B and cuts the circle at C and D. Then the value of MC into MD. Here, this is the length of the tangent drawn from M to the circle T. We know that MT square is equal to MC into MD. Here, MT is equal to length of the tangent we know that length of the tangent is root S11, that is MC into MD is equal to MT square, that is root S11 whole square, that is equal to S11. S11 means substituting the given point A comma B in the given circle, that is x square, that is A square plus B square minus K square. Therefore, MC into MD is equal to A square plus B square minus K square. The equation of a circle which touch the x-axis and whose center is at 1, 2 is. Here the circle touches the x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. The circle touches x-axis. This is x-axis touching at the point capital A. Here this is the center of the circle. This center is given 1, 2. This is the radius of the circle. This radius CA is equal to radius. So this radius of the circle is equal to y coordinate of that point. Y coordinate of the center. Here y coordinate of the center is 2. So radius R is equal to 2. And center is given, that is 1, 2, R is equal to 2. We know that if center is C, H, K and radius is R, equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. That is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to R square, that is 2 square. This is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. This is the equation of the circle.